Meanwhile, could drugs like LSD and mushrooms be the keys to positive mental health? One medical company thinks so, and today they debuted on the NASDAQ. MindMed, hoping to treat addiction and other ailments with psychedelic compounds, which are currently illegal. Psychedelics have been known to help with a variety of issues in ways that no other medicines can touch. So what kind of regulatory red tape needs to be cut so MindMed's plan doesn't become a bad trip? Did I say MindMed? I meant MindMed. I really did. Maybe I need some of their products. Joining me to discuss, CEO of MindMed, J.R. Ron. Hi, J.R.
Hi, Kennedy. How are you?
This is a very exciting day for you. And I know, a lot of the talk in finance has been about cannabis, but the real action is with psychedelics. And by action, I mean compounds that are literally curing PTSD and having a profound effect on the opioid crisis. So tell me, what are you using, and specifically, what are some of your products that can treat opioid addiction?
Well, we have many different drug programs. You mentioned one that is focused on the opioid crisis, which we all know is costing this country way too much money. And that is, we're using something, a psychedelic derived from ibogaine, which has been used by lots of veterans that are seeing profound effects using psychedelics. Mm-hmm. What we tried to do is synthesize out a non-hallucinogenic version of that to effectively be an antibiotic for addiction.
So that works on addiction specifically, and that is one of the areas that traditional pharmaceuticals have not made purchase. They have not gotten a hold there, but psychedelics have like I said, been very, very profound. So what other aspects of mental health, because as you have pointed out, 40% of people, especially during the pandemic, have mental health issues. So what other substances do you have that someday someone could go to their doctor and get a prescription for?
Well, I'm going to say a scary word right now, but LSD. We are looking at using LSD to treat anxiety disorders. And we were at the FDA in December having a conversation with them about how we can open a clinical trial using LSD. And, I think right now at the state that this country is currently in, I think we need to try all options. And that's at MindMed what we're really focused on here is bringing this through the FDA pathway and evaluating them as medicines. We're not really interested in making somebody's Burning Man or Phish concert a better experience. What we are interested in are healing people that are suffering from mental health. And there are many in this country that are.
Well, and as the FDA was pushed out of the way in order to get these vaccines to market, they could do this very same thing with some of these psychedelics because the mental health crisis in this country is at pandemic levels. MindMed could help. JR, thank you so much. Congratulations to you on the NASDAQ, and we'll be hearing much more from you soon. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.